Although I purchased these insoles, I have partnered with the seller and may receive an extra commission. So let's dive in. So I got these insoles for my husband because he has some foot issues and he really loves them. And I'll be talking to him in a little bit. The thing that's really good for him is that it has cushioning right under the ball of the foot, which is really where he has more issues than anything else. So he's also really impressed with the arch support. And this deep heel cradle here is fantastic because it improves stability, motion control, and it also helps with mid to moderate overpronation. These are the #1 podiatrist recommended insoles, so that's got to say something. Also, speaking of that, you'll be happy to know that these insoles are also HSA and FSA eligible, so that's great news. Also made in the USA with globally sourced materials. In case you're wondering if it fits, well, it really does. What you want to do, my husband is a size 8.5, and what you do is I've already removed the original insole that came with this shoe, got the, I think, 8 to 8.5 size, and it fits right in there. See, just like that. It's right in there, perfect fit. So whatever shoe size you are, just get that size, and it's going to be a perfect fit. One of the more common questions is, does it help with plantar fasciitis? And yes, it is actually specifically designed to help with plantar fasciitis. So as you can see here, it's relief of a ball of foot pain, metatarsalgia, which is just a fancy way of saying pain in the ball of the foot. And of course, plantar fasciitis, foot arch and heel pain. So these are fantastic.
Is this thing on?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be here all week, folks. Yeah, these shoes came with the standard Skechers insoles, and instantly you can feel when you put these new insoles in, the arch support is substantial, and it also helps me with bending of my feet, excessive bending, because I've had some joint replacements in my feet, and this helps limit the movement substantially.
Oh, okay. So like when you're walking and it, like the ball of the foot?
Yeah, the arch support helps me from putting too much pressure on the ball of the foot.
Oh, that's great. Okay, good. So you're impressed with these insoles then?
Yes, they definitely feel better than any of the standard insoles that come in Skechers slippers.
Oh, okay, great.